This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
How you doing, guys? July 21st, 2019. We're gonna pick the winner for the UEI Hub 6 that I did about a week ago. I did a video about that, and said I would pick the winner in about 5 days to a week. It's been about a week now, and these are the rules that we talked about on the first video. You know, these rules are gonna be met, or you're not gonna be eligible to win. Only will ship to United States because shipping overseas into Canada is very expensive. So we're gonna ship to United States because it's a good sized box, and it is for free. So that's one stipulation. Number two, you must leave a message with value testers and UEI Hub 6. That has to be in the message that you left on the video. It's got to have value testers in there in UEI Hub 6. That's what we talked about originally. Then you're going to have to do is message me with the winner's channel. Whoever wins is going to have to message me with that channel. Just leave me your street, the name of your street, so I know it's you. And then you have to message me. There's my email address, s.lavimoniere@comcast.net. And I'm going to need your name, address, your phone number, and your email. Because I'm going to ship it out UPS. So I need to know that information to be able to ship it out. So we'll go ahead and pick a winner. And there's quite a few comments on that video. So hopefully you win. I also want to do a shout out to Joe from Atlanta. He sent me this little voltage tester. It's a nice little Fluke unit, and he sent it to me, through Amazon, which was nice of the guy. I mean, it turns on. You could check for voltage if you got voltage to a plug, or I'll turn it on. You can see there's a light right there, and it's letting me know that there's voltage there, which I thought it was kind of nice of the guy to send that to me. I do get a lot of stuff sent to me in the mail from time to time, but I'm gonna start doing shout outs to guys that send me this stuff. Yeah, Joe from Atlanta sent it to me through Amazon, which was a little surprise. I said, I wonder what this is, getting in the mail. Well, it's always nice to have new tools and new stuff to use. I just wanted to do a shout out to him. Joe from Atlanta, thank you for sending that. Alright guys, we're at my channel here. Here's the UEI. Here's the giveaway video right here, UEI Hub 6. So we'll click on that. Copy link address. And we'll go up to this random picker. We'll click on that. I'm going to paste it right here. Well, there's the video, and we're going to fetch. We're going to see. There's probably more comments on there that are eligible. Sometimes guys, they comment twice. Sometimes there's trolls that come through that I got them blocked. They're not going to show up. Anything goes. Alright, so how many? 733 comments. That's a lot. We're gonna pick a winner right now. Alright, so this is the winner right here. Massachusetts resident. There's the guy right there. I'll give him 5 days to respond. Oh wait, hang on a minute. I need this testo, UE Hub 6. Well, we didn't put value testers in there, so he's not eligible to win. I said that in the thing. You got to put value testers and UEI Hub 6. So we're going to have to pick a new winner, unfortunately, guy. You didn't follow instructions. Sorry. Value testers, UEI Hub 6. There you go. That's the winner right there. Will Fonder. Alright, so I'll give him 5 days to respond. And, you know, that was the rules that I put in there. It wasn't a testo. You got to put value testers in there and UEI Hub 6. So that's the winner right there. He's got 5 days to respond with this channel. And I'm gonna go look back on that Will Foster and see what that channel looks like, and make sure that he comments and leaves me a street address through that. You know, you're gonna have to leave on this video. You got to respond with this channel. I'll go back and look what it looks like with your street address, and then you got to mail me, you know, the address that we talked about on the stuff there, so I can get it out to you. He's got 5 days to respond. You know, I put on there value testers plus UEI Hub 6. You had to put that in the message. Unfortunately, the other guy wasn't eligible to win because he didn't have value testers on there. They're the guys that are sponsoring this. Okay, that's it right there.